Hello everyone and welcome to my live coding stream. I noticed after I started the stream that my stream info was incorrect. I apologize for that, but yes, we are gonna live code some shaders today. Hi Iming, how are you? So yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but there was some announcement of Norwegian demo party coming this summer. Not Solskogen, but something different. That's kind of exciting, I think. Maybe this summer could be so that we could actually go there. Oh my god, I actually love this song. It's carbon-based life forms. Wow. Scenes at radio. Is good. Oh, you almost got your studio set up. That's amazing. That's really nice. I want some pictures of the studio setup. Maybe to Discord. I love to see other people's setups because mine is so crappy. So I can then see how other people do stuff so I can copy. Yeah, my setup is that I have here a monitor which is laid on top of 1, 2, 3, 5 books, and yeah. Yes, I'm just reaching my bot for a bit because I have very wrong stuff there right now. I'm starting a bit late today because it's an election day and I wanted to vote. So yeah. Just waiting for a couple of packages from Tommen so I can rig the monitors and speakers properly. Oh, that's nice. Oh, speakers. I would love to have speakers. My hi-fi speaker, which I use, is this thing here. Yeah. It's okay. It's just that the battery is basically dead, so I need to have it plugged in all the time. So yeah, what do we go today? What should we do today? The question for every coding stream, what are we gonna do today? Because I have no idea. Need to keep an eye out at work if Ula is getting rid of some speakers and hook you up. Oh yeah, that would be great. That would be so great. I would be forever thankful for that. What? What's wrong with this? What? What's happening here? Oh, and by the way, I should have... No, integrated. Yeah. Trying to access 2D texture with 1D UV isn't good. I would like to do some domain repetition stuff today, maybe. Maybe something like that would be cool. Yes. Now just need to think what are we going to do? I'm so bad at deciding stuff. I end up doing always the same thing. Well, maybe not. I try to pay attention that I don't do exactly the same thing. And yeah, demo party in Norway sounds awesome. I definitely love to go there. Because I guess it's not like safe enough to go to Easter party anyway, if there is even a party then. So yeah. Waiting for summer then. Oh. That was complete change of style now. Last time I tried to do this kind of phone thing, where we have a smartphone and then at the screen would be sphere. It kind of worked, but I didn't quite get how to project the stuff correctly. And I still haven't had time to dig deeper into that. Right, what was I doing? Right, brain marching. Let's make the normal sphere test. This is a unit sphere that we are returning from the sea. Typos everywhere, typos. Yes, we have a sphere. Yay. And that's all we got now. Black hole. Yeah, that could be doable. I'm trying to do something quite different here. Well, maybe it doesn't work this far yet, but yeah. Some step-based shading stuff. So yeah. Let's do function for a sphere. I want to do something abstract with domain repetition stuff. So I'm gonna do the functions needed here for that. So let's make this a sphere. Maybe I can do it larger than just a unit sphere. Yeah, why not? And we of course need to take the original position, keep it safe. But yeah, domain repetition. Oh. So yeah. I'm gonna use now the same functions from Mercury library. I'm just gonna write them out by hand because I want to check what's in it, what they have done there. Let's do this first. So there is in-out position, then there is the size, and it returns the ID of the cell. Also, I'm a bit lazy, so this is half size, which is size times 0.5. And this will be the index. It's quite similar than the actual repetition, but not quite. Because we take the floor there. And always when doing domain repetition we need to shift the thing bit exactly the half of the cell size, so it's centered. And then here we just subtract it. Otherwise we end up with artifacts. So similarly, we can do all the dimensions. Like I can just copy this and modify it to be 2 dimensions. I'm not sure which we're gonna use yet. So this will be like 2 then. And this also will be like 2. Plus half size times size, yeah. It's basically exactly the same. Except this. And of course, this should be like 2 because the index is 2-dimensional now. And if we want to make it 3-dimensional, well, guess what? We can. We just do this. And now it's 3-dimensional, basically. What? Oh, right. Yeah. And now we can do some very basic domain repetition stuff. If we want to do this kind of 3D domain repetition, three. No. Now we are inside some sphere. Yes. Now this comes to effect here. Okay. Where am I? Why is this? Can I be here? No, of course I can't. Okay. Now I'm definitely outside of the sphere. Okay. What happens if I take this out here? What? Why? What? Help. Okay. Now this makes more sense. They were just too dense. Be like not plus but minus, maybe. No. Maybe something like this. Yeah. Now it's better. Of course, this is a bit dull, like this. It's not... there's not much happening here. I just want to make it work. And here we see that the ray marching, this is really not enough. This should be something like enough. But this will kill my GPU eventually. It just will do it, no matter what. So yeah, what next? I probably don't want to do like too much realistic shading or anything here, because this is kind of a fantasy scene anyway. Let's just test stuff. What would you like to test in this kind of scene? Let's see if I can do the box this today. Symmetry? It's all about symmetry. Minimum of maximums. This is the thing that I always like forget it, if it's minimum of maximums or maximums of minimums, and I'm not really sure. Max. And then .0, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, we'll see it in a moment. It's not absolutely like this. Of course, it's maximum of minimums. No. Or is this min? Maybe I should check this out. Why do I always forget this? Like, this is basic math. It should be easy. Length. Alright. It was max, but it should be inside the length. Maximum of this and this. Okay, and then... yeah, this is minimum of maximums. But what's wrong here? Oh my god. That was wrong. That was totally wrong. Now this should be good. All the dimensions, please. Yeah, now it's good. Oh. I also feel that there's something wonky going on with the camera stuff, but... kind of like this. Okay, let's go with this perspective. Kind of like it. And now I know I can do both boxes and spheres here. So yeah. And the library, the SDF library that I've been talking about, sometimes it's this one. Let's mention it here too, because that's just fair. So the rotation order stuff. If I rotate the things here, what will rotate? So here I rotate the whole scene. This was actually the direction I was aiming for. But yeah, I'm rotating the whole scene. And if I rotate here, I'm rotating the cubes. Now I'm rotating them like the same pace, different orientation, so yeah, it looks a bit funny. Guess I could actually use this one. So yeah, the basics of domain repetition and rotation is here. So yeah. So let's start bold stuff with this. Let's do the create on uniform. Okay, we end up doing that, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that in just a bit. But not quite yet. Oh yeah, now we are hitting the borders here. Okay, this should be something like this. Also this. Maybe these should be just like this. Yeah. They're still a bit... artifacts. Let's just fix an angle here for this. Let's say it's 45. Static. Okay. Okay, let's make these bits shorter. Maybe 1.5. No, still. I could use the guard trick to get rid of artifacts. I could use better rendering loop to get rid of artifacts and get a bit more efficient rendering, but we're doing this now. Okay. Like you see, we don't have any shading. I have this fake step-based shading here, and I'm not gonna do any kind of good shading here. I'm just gonna do something especially this glow thing that I learned from it was on PS Discord and shader coding channel. We talked about this, and I think it was Nusan told this trick to me. Yeah. What would be a good color? I want something kind of... Hey, I could use the index here. I could use the index here. So much artifacts. Okay, let's check one thing. Oh yeah, I released the shaders on my GitHub. I download those there once the stream is over. So yeah, you'll be able to check the code from there. You can do many things with this, but maybe I get rid of this here. So yeah, this method for glow is not perfect. So it needs to be very well tuned. Of course, now this is something like indexes. So yeah. Maybe I should multiply it with some vector 3. Color stuff to tune it down a bit. Or I could just not use that index. I could just have them all glowing the same color. It might be also that I have like very many steps here because of this thing that I'm doing. Maybe this would be enough. 70? Yeah. 60. No. 120. Let's make it 120. Constant battle with the artifacts. So yeah, this is not looking that nice here. But if I have here something like this, that would look something quite okay-ish, right? Kind of, yeah. And if I want, I can do this bit, turn them opaque, so maybe that works better. Just make them a tiny bit transparent. Wow. Wow, I kind of like this look now. It's kind of a bit disturbing, and I like it. If we add a bit to the glow now. That's too much. And that's too much too. Oh my god, I need so much to this down. Let's just get rid of that. Yeah, I like this. This is kind of nice. Thank you, Coxia. Nice to have you here. So let's do some kind of fog maybe. Maybe we could make these rotate a bit. I'm planning to do more with this scene. Maybe. What is this song? It's kind of disturbing, but in a good way. Wow. I want this to move bad very slowly. Maybe around different axes. Larsec the dirt, okay. Wow. Yeah, this movement is nice. Now we should have some fog. Okay. Maybe we can have... The artifacts doesn't bother this much here, when this is like very cheaty thing anyway. So yeah, I can probably lower some dimensions a bit. Yeah. Make this ununiform. Red, so it's more interesting. Yeah, this is very artifacty if I do this. Do also like this. This is artifacty, but I kind of like it. Well, yeah, maybe I can use this better for coloring, actually. Not like this, though. More like this. Should I do something? Some formula here. I maybe should check out some palette. some palette here because this is now way too much. But I want some base color because otherwise the one thing would be black. That's not good. And maybe then this times 0.1. Yeah. And then here it's even darker, but what was the clown thing? This is something that I've googled before. Yeah. Yes. No. There. So it's larger than min and smaller than max. Okay. So basically, I should do something like this. Okay, yes, I can define the minimum value. I should use this as a minimum value. Minimal and maxval would be something like... Yes, now it's good. Maybe not this much blue here. Maybe something like this is better. And now the fog. Fog is important. Kind of. So yeah. This might be a bit too much fog though, but let's see. What color should be? I use this as a fog color and maybe have different color here, something more neutral, like this. Oh. Way too much fog. Maybe a bit too little, fuck. That's good. And I could do clamping to this too. Yes, first value. How much is this? I could use something like this here. And can I use the same minimum maximum value than there? Wow. Maybe tweak it a bit later. For example, here I will have more green. One, two, three, two, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. I mean, clamp, back. The vector is this one, right? 1, 2. Yeah, and then I have one vector and then another vector. Oh, right, it's here. Check the line number of the errors before I start to fix them. Or maybe I don't have that much green here either. Disco elements. Okay. This is something that I have no idea what will happen, and probably nothing good will come out of this, but I have to try. Just have to try.
Object identified. Establish contact.
Negative contact.
It's impossible. The computer's gotta be wrong.
Oh, hydrate. That's a good idea. I need to check that out later. I'm gonna hydrate now. Let's check this out for a bit. And I'm gonna fetch some water.
Our radar's picking up two strange metallic bodies. I presume they're spaceships. They're being controlled somehow. No asteroids could vary their speed like that.
Thank you for keeping me hydrated. Okay, let's continue with this.
Behind this strange signal is an alien intelligence that knows all.
All right. I was thinking about.
I figured they'll be strong enough to reach the ground.
Yeah. But then this will be. Yeah, let's not do that.
Presentations from all over the world. Your arrogance was well known in advance. We knew all about it.
All right. Maybe I should use something different here. Okay, I quite like this. It's kind of nice. Let's do something a bit different here. So I'm gonna reset the vector here. Do something else. Maybe some sphere stuff here for a bit. This is kind of interesting. Kind of like this. I want it to be a bit smaller. Yeah. Why not? This doesn't look good with this one. Nah. Nope. Not gonna do that. Right. Why? Why does that? Alright, I can't do this here. I need to do it differently. Transform before modulation. Also, I'd like these to be a bit further away. No, I mean somewhere there. Wow. Yeah, I should clamp. Let's use the same values here. Okay, I actually want them to be larger. Larger than life. Maybe not, but anyway. So this has been exploration of like very simple modular operations. So not like mirroring or anything like that. And then some, well, space folding. The balls are touching, by the way. Okay, now let's do something very silly with the boxes. Okay, this should be thicker. I want them to be more visible. Yeah, like that.
som sträckt på en himmel. Tecknas ditt namn. Jag flyger min jumbo över hemliga land. En karta i flaskpost. En ny väg till dig. En böljande närhet. Du är livet för mig. Klara färger går. Klara färger går. Bredvid oss. Jag ser dina händer i en silhuett. Du gör små figurer. Du leker så lätt. Du leker så lätt. Klara färger går. Klara färger går. Bredvid oss. Bredvid oss.
Some final stuff.
Jag ser dina händer i en
I don't need to do this now.
du gör små figurer. Du leker så lätt. Klara färger går. Klara färger går. Bredvid oss.
And if we want to do it even more like, well, like this, we have here another bit of a motion blur. By the way, I would like to do this probably here. Well, actually, no. This is good. There's no fast movement here. So I can have pretty much blur here. So yeah, that was today's exploration to domain repetition functions. Thank you, Aiming. I think it's quite nice too. I do think that. Okay. Let's see who's online. I need to check something out. Because I think Arcan Lounge is something new. I don't know if they are streaming now, but I will check that out. They are live now. We are gaming discussion stream. Sounds good. Let's go there. Check that out. Let's go there and check that out. So thank you for the very nice night, and I hope to see you on next streams. They will be on Monday and Sunday, like usually. So tomorrow music stream, and next Sunday there will be once again some live coding. So yeah, see you then. Have a nice evening.